Hi, I'm Keith, and welcome to Keith Brooks Hobbies. Hi, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about the 1967 Chevelle Pro Street. When building this model, I wanted to make it look as if it was a hot rod garage build. Not follow the model instructions per se to the letter T, but so that it looked like you or I owned this car and it was our hot rod in our garage. So, please enjoy the pictures and some videos at the end, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you. Any hot rod I've built in the past always had to have the headers wrapped. I got the idea to use some internals from some paracord, some spray glue, and intricately wrapped the cord around the headers. I then dirtied it with some black Sharpie and paint to give it that used look. I didn't want this build to have any chrome whatsoever. As the saying goes, chrome won't get you home. So I used some oven off cleaner and stripped all the chrome off all the pieces and then painted them all individually. As you can see, I think it turned out great, and the chrome pieces were quite honestly a little chintzy looking for my taste. For me, anytime I build a model, the most nerve-wracking part is always putting on the body. You've painted it, you've clear coated it, you've wet sanded it, you've polished, you've buffed it, and now it's time to hope you don't put any dents or dings in that fresh new paint. For all painted parts, I like to use Model Masters cement. It gives a great tight bond, as well as it eats through the paint nice and slowly and forms the plastic together perfectly and does not show. For all unpainted parts, I like to use Tamiya Ultra Thin cement. Great tight bond, no residue, and very easy cleanup, if any at all. Here's the finished 1967 Chevelle Pro Street. I went with 4 coats of metallic green, followed by 4 coats of clear coat. It was an extremely fun build to build. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more content as always.